Okay, hello GED students. This video set is about lesson 46, about mean, median, and mode. Okay, just as a going over the vocabulary, lesson 46. Mean is the average. It means you take the total of a number set and then you divide it by the number of elements. Or it's the total divided by the number of elements. I'll do examples of this. The median is the middle number, and the mode is the most frequent. And if you forget the difference during the test, they do have this sheet, the math formula sheet, and it even tells you right here the mean and the median. And tells you the mean is equal to the total value of a data set divided by the number of elements in the data set. And then it tells you here the median is the middle value. The median is the middle value in an odd number of ordered values of a data set. And if it's an even number, I'll show you how to look at that. Okay? So you even have reminders here what the definitions are. So I'm going to put this over here. The examples in the book are a little bit easier than the worksheet. The worksheet, they have a lot more numbers in the data set compared to the book. But I'm going to use this sheet so that you have the book problems to do extra practice. Okay? So here, I'm going to show you first the mean, find the average. So to find the average, you first have to count how many numbers you have in the data set. So here I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 numbers. So I have 15 numbers. And then you have to add them all up. You have to go 5 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. If you add them all up, I went ahead and did that here already, and it adds up to 35 is the total. Okay, so I got a total of 35 and 15 numbers. If I add up all 15 numbers, it totals 35. So to find the average, or the mean, what you need to do is you got to take the total, 35, and divide it by the number of elements, or the total number of numbers, which is 15. So take a calculator and you type in 35 divided by 15, and you end up with, I'm going to round to 2.33. So this right here would be the average. Okay? It's the total of all the numbers added together divided by how many numbers you have. Okay? To find the median would be the next one I'm going to do here. Would be the middle number. So like they tell you here, it says here it's you have to order the values. Okay? You have to put them in order. I always go from the least to the greatest. Okay, you can go greatest to the least and it'll still come out the same. But here I got 3 1s, so I go 1 1 1. And I got 7 2s, so 2 2 2 2 2. And I got 3 3s up here, 3 and 3. And then there's a 4 and a 5. And when you do this, I usually cross them out as I go along in order to keep track of the ones that I put down. Okay, so this is how many, this is all the 15 numbers in order. And the middle is going to be the 8th number. Because with 15 of them, I'm going to have 7 on one side and 7 on the other side. So if I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is the 8th one. And then I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this will be the middle. Okay, so the median would be 2, because that's the middle. When you put them in order, it's the one that's right smack in the middle. Okay, so here being an odd number, you're going to have 7 on one side, 7 on the other, that's 14, and the middle one makes 15. And that middle one is going to be your median. And then the last one is the mode. And the mode is the one that is most frequent. Okay, just like here, I got twos. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 twos. Okay, well, get the hair out there. So I got 7 of the twos. So the mode is not 7, the mode is 2. Because that's the most frequent in this set. I got 3 ones, so there's 7 of twos. I got 3 threes and 1 4 and 1 5. So 2 is the most frequent, so that would be the mode. Okay, in this worksheet they even have here range. Range would be the distance from the smallest number to the highest number. So here 1 all the way up to 5, so the range would be from 1 to 5. Okay, but I don't think that's, let me check here. Yeah, that's not covered in lesson 46, but if you're curious what range is, it's just the distance from one side to the other. Okay, so this first video is the introduction to the vocabulary, and this will be the first example.